This is the guy, make I go. Let me check him first. I win the group. Okay, this goes on.
One mother. Mother.
You are on phone. One time you are on phone.
See what you matter they play here, eh?
You know they play Ludo today?
Will you? I better go play. I don't know play this Ludo way only.
What thing gonna happen now? Because of what thing happened that is still the best.
Because I no my business. I know they play. I better go play.
How for you?
I'll play.
That you are club see.
Go play Ludo and leave me man. I do my own business.
This is my guy say he just didn't win at times. Teacher, just your brand just outside. I don't know. You guys is still the best for the other day.
Because I trust you. That's why. You come to my house, you think you can do anything you like. This is absolute mess up. Mess up entirely. You have messed the whole thing up. Mess our friendship up. Mess me up. Mess my house up. And I must make sure that your neck will not remain in your head. In this life. Unless if I do not see you again. You!